Hey guys, Carlo here. Welcome to today's episode. For today's vlog, we're going to do two things. Number one, I'm going to unbox this new pair of Dunks that was sent over by Soleicitor Manila. They're a sneaker reseller shop. I'll put the link down below. And then I'm super happy because I actually won a raffle. Wow, it's been a while since I last won a raffle. And I won the chance to purchase the Jordan 1 Tokyo over at Park Nike shop at BGC. So I'll bring you guys along with me there. We'll pick the shoes up and yeah, you'll just come along with me for the rest of the day. So let's go. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so. We have two ongoing giveaways. We're giving away unique low airism face masks and we're giving away a Samsung TV. The draw for the Samsung TV is supposed to be today's vlog, but I'm moving it tomorrow. So just one more day. So in Thursday's vlog, we will be announcing the winner for the Samsung brand new TV giveaway. So subscribe now, follow me on Instagram, and then click the links down below for the rest of the mechanics. Good luck. This is called the Community Gardens Dunk Low, and it was sent over to me by Soleicitor Manila. They're a sneaker reseller. This actually isn't my size. This one is size 10.5, and it was just sent over for me so I can feature it and show it to you guys in today's episode. So this one is actually a very special shoe. If you take a look at it, it's also called the Lemon Wash, by the way. And what's important about this sneaker is that it is actually made from recycled canvas, and that's kind of important because, as you guys know, Nike has had a renewed focus on pushing recycled materials to make their business more sustainable. So you saw that with the Space Hippie line, we saw that with the Vapormax 2020 Flyknit that I recently reviewed. In fact, I'll wear that shoe as my sneaker of the day later, so I'll go look for it and then wear that one. And you also have that with this sneaker. Take note that this is not part of the SB line. It is a Dunk Low. It is not a skateboard SB Dunk sneaker. Now, the great thing about using recycled canvas is every shoe is actually unique because the patterns that you see over here can be different from the different, well, sneakers that come out in this line, because not every material comes out the same way. That's why it's recycled, right? And it actually looks kind of awesome. When I first saw it on pictures, I wasn't too interested. But now that I have it on hand, the upper feels sturdy, feels comfortable, very lightweight. I think they use the same recycling process even down to the midsole and outsole. I might be mistaken, but that's what it feels. You have different types of prints ranging across lots of yellow, red, purple, blue, and some sort of gray and white, some sort of rust brown along the laces, and you have that nicely colored laces that you also have that matches the same lemon color that you have with the swoosh, and that nice pop of red at the back with the Nike logo. So this one again, it's called the Community Gardens, also known as Lemon Wash, sent over by our good friends from Soleicitor Manila. Check them out. I'll put a link down below. So that's the first unboxing, and now this fun part. So I'll just show you the email showing that I won the raffle. So if you take a look over here, it says Park Access Cup Air Tokyo Air Jordan 1 High OGCOJP Tokyo is yours. You can claim it today. I'm supposed to go there, since I got it at size 13, anytime from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. So I'll be heading over right now. Well, it's still kind of early. It's still 3:19 according to my watch. So I'll be heading over there in maybe an hour. I'll bring you guys along with me. We'll check out what sneakers are available over at Nike BGC and Fort. Hopefully there are good finds, and if they are, then you'll get to know about it in today's episode. So tara, let's go. Heading out, our watch for the day. This is the Seiko Gundam Tuna Charzaku. I did a review on this. I'll link it down below just in case you guys haven't seen it yet. And for our sneaker of the day, like what I mentioned, since we're talking about, well, sneakers made out of recycled materials, I have over here, this is the Vapormax 2020 Flyknit. Someone's calling the intercom. I think another shoe has just arrived. Teka lang. Hello? Paiwan na lang dyan sa baba, kunin ko mamaya. Okay, thank you. Okay, so in case you guys missed my review of this sneaker, this is the most comfortable Vapormax in my opinion, and the fact that they use recycled materials for the knit upper as well as that foam in between the air midsole and the upper for me is a big win. So one of the best Vapormaxes they've ever made, and happy to have it in my collection, and this will be our shoe of the day. Now, if you guys want to order this shirt, this is my collaboration with Paulo Tomenes. Peace, God bless, what's up, boom. Still learning branding at the back. I'll link it down below as well on my Lazada shop. Sells for just 650 pesos. And it looks like we really need to get going, because if you hear that, I'm not sure if the microphone is picking it up. Thunderstorm coming. Uulan. Cleo. This, by the way, this giant, ooh, that was a big jump. This giant column thing over here, this is a new monitor from Samsung. I'm going to fix up my work from home space. And as you guys can see, it is a very wide monitor. So abangan nyo yan. The unboxing of that should be coming soon on the channel. And again, Cleo. Okay, so while waiting for my Jordan 1 Tokyo, I took a look at the different sneakers available at the Nike shop. We saw a Nike React Vision in various colors. One was the blue color, which kind of looked cool. There was one with the white and orange and violet and some sort of like green. That was also kind of cool. We also saw a black version. It was kind of like an inverted version of the white one. And we saw a very clean triple white version of the Nike React Vision. If I were to pick one of the four, given my current obsession with white shoes, I'd probably go with that. Now, in terms of Jordans and basketball shoes, they had a bunch of Jordan 3 sitting on shelves. They had the Jordan 3 Denim, not in the Japanese one that I have though, but it's still there. They had the Animal Instinct, both the one with the safari and cheetah print, and the latest version, which is more on the black, yellow, green side. So all of them were just sitting on shelves. We also saw more Jordans that I didn't expect to see there, including the Jordan 11 in the black, white, red color. That was kind of a surprise to see. And we also saw more environmentally friendly recycled sneakers from Jordan brand, including the low-cut Jordan Crater. Not a fan of the overall look, but definitely appreciate the philosophy behind it, and the Jordan 1 Crater as well, which uses the same recycled materials to build the upper midsole as well as the outsole of the shoe. So again, all of these sneakers are sitting on shelves at the second floor of Nike BGC. Now for other basketball shoes that caught my attention, there was the KD13 Bleached. That looked pretty cool. So love the pattern on the upper, love the almost greenish like swoosh on the medial side, while the lateral had some sort of black swoosh. They also had like this really funky KD13 with lots of flowers and love and a smiley face. Reminded me of Murakami as well as Sean Wotherspoon for some reason. And if there was one like basketball shoe I'd buy, it'd probably be this one. It's like the new Kyrie Sashiko, inspired by the Japanese, I think it's like the ceremonial stitching of samurai robes or something, or kimonos. Definitely really clean, looked super dope. Really love the design on that one. In fact, I asked about it, they didn't have my size. The new Lebrons are also there. I forgot exactly what they were called, but this one is in the white, black, and red with a Velcro strap at the heel. Was thinking of buying it to review it on the channel, but was just really too expensive, almost 10,000. They also had the Lebron Low Titan. So this is the one in red and gold, from Manila to the world thing. So wasn't able to feature this, but nice to see it on the shelf as well. Okay, ganun ka hassle yung traffic na my hair is kinda crazy. So anyway, so I ended up going home with two pairs of shoes from our shopping trip. The top one is obviously the reason why I went out to buy, well, to go out and check out sneakers. This is the Jordan 1 OG CO.JP, well, Tokyo. So this one is in size 13. Comes in this really nice white silver metallic box. And if we pop this one open, it also has a Jumpman logo with 2001 written all over it. I'll do a review of this shoe in another video, so just watch out for it when it comes out. But this one is a really clean, oh, ganda looking silver Jordan 1. So you have like a shiny metallic Jordan 1 here along the collar, the swoosh, and then the toe box. This one is super clean. I'm really loving the shoe. Nice. So happy to have won a raffle finally. It's been a while since I bought anything nice that wasn't for resale. Crying out loud. And the other one is another sneaker that I ended up buying, primarily because a lot of you keep commenting that you want me to review it. So we have over here the Nike React Vision. This one is in the, guess what color I ended up going? So there was the blue, the black, the white, and the all white. Can you guys guess? Well, I will not show you today. So watch out for the next vlog where I will do the unboxing and review of this particular sneaker. So yeah, that's it for our video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. So it's a very chill shopping video when I dropped by Nike BGC. I didn't talk anymore while in the shop and holding the camera because, you know, you had the mask, you had the face shield. It was just hard to shoot anything, so I just used my phone and then did the VO when I got home. But anyway, I hope you guys are all doing fine. I hope you're all positive with life, not with COVID, negative with COVID. As usual, this is Carlo signing out. Peace, God bless. What's up? Boom.